Hey everybody, so today I'm going to be showing, like I said in my demo video, how to fold this model. It's a triangle model thing and it could open up like that, and if you pull the flaps out like that a bit, it could open up even more. So yeah, you can call it whatever you want. Yeah, I'm going to use a sheet of double-sided Kami. Now, the side you start on will be the side that, like the inside is like, for this model, the outside, sorry. Like for this model, I started on the white side, so that means the outside color would be white and the inside color would be red. Well, whatever color you're using. But I'm using double-sided colors, so it won't be any white. Okay, I'm gonna start green because I want purple to be on the outside. Maybe green. Yeah, green. Now you're gonna fold it in half. We're gonna start out with a 4x4 grid of horizontal creases. So just to show you the crease pattern, this is what the crease pattern looks like, whatever you want to call it. So yeah. Now take this and fold it to the crease. Now rotate, fold this. Like that, and unfold, rotate, and do the same thing on this side. So alright, so here we have a 4x4 grid. That took a while to make. Longer than I expected. But yeah, anyways. Now what we're going to do is make an 8x8 diagonal grid on the other side. So flip it over. And we're going to fold diagonally in half. In both directions. I'll look through the camera and fold. Now we're gonna unfold and blitz, which means fold all the corners to the center. Now when you make these grids, the more precise it is, the more even it will look, the final model. So yeah. Okay, we blitzed, and now fold this corner to here. Maybe adjust my camera a bit. I think that's good enough. Unfold and fold this to the first point. Now rotate it and fold this to this corner. unfold and fold this. Here. Unfold both flaps and do the same thing on this side, so go faster. Sorry about the background noise. I understand it might be a bit annoying, but yeah. Okay, now we have that done. Now we could turn back over and focus on just two opposite points. See how this point, like it has like a reverse fold thing that you could do. So you want this to be a valley fold. Well, it doesn't really matter right now. So basically reverse fold it, sort of, doesn't really matter how you do it. But what we want from that is we want to fold this point up. So you could just make it separately. Gonna fold, now I probably wanna zoom in. Okay, now, so this is the reverse fold thing. We're gonna fold it up so that this point goes there. But we're only gonna crease up to this line. Unfold, and you could do the same thing on the other side. You could also fold this point up to there, fold up to that first crease. Now you could sort of just run it over, fold it like that. So it's like a reverse fold, double reverse fold. Now I'm gonna zoom out like that and do the same thing on the other side. I'm gonna go faster this time. I'm probably gonna be expecting this video to be around like 15 minutes, 20-ish minutes, because this model does take a while to fold, so yeah. Okay, we got both of those. Now on these two sides, we're not gonna do that. These two sides, what we're gonna be doing is, first we're gonna make a, so first we're gonna be making a valley fold from this point to this point. So, fold it up. You want the two creases to align like that. Now we're going to make mountain folds from this point down. So you could just sort of turn it over, fold it up this intersection. And you also want these sides to align. Might want to zoom in so you guys can see better, like that. And now rotate it and do the same thing. Like that. Now you can turn back over so you can see you just made two mountain folds there. And now, these creases already exist. They should be mountain folds. We want them as valley folds. So just make them valley folds. Just that section. Now, this is sort of the hard part, you could say. This is, well actually first we're gonna repeat it all on this side. Then is the hardest part of this entire model. Then we'll basically be done. Yeah, turn it over and fold it up there, crease there, and make a crease there. Turn back over and make these creases as valley folds, just those two. Okay, now is the tricky step. We want the center crease to be like a mountain, a valley. Yeah, this is like that. Okay, now this is how we're gonna collapse it. So gonna fold it up here. And these side creases, zoom out. These side creases should be valleys, so it's like that sort of. And what we're gonna do is sort of collapse it down. Well, first it's like that. So what we're basically doing is having it like that and folding this up like that, sort of. But before we do that, the side creases, we're gonna focus on side creases. So here, this should be a mountain. The rest should be valleys, like mountain, valley, 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 like that. So yeah, and then you could do the same thing on that side, and that's how we're gonna collapse it. So yes, that was a bit tricky, but we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. So this is a mountain, and the rest are valleys. I'm probably gonna zoom in a tiny bit, just so it's not that small. So basically, if you want to stop here, you have a box, but that's not what we're here for. What we're here for is to make the thing. So this is the really tricky part. You want to sort of make a water bomb base, I guess. So you want to make a water bomb base like in the inside squares. So you're just going to make these two creases mountain folds. So yeah, so it's supposed to be like that. Now first ignore these two sides. Just did that last step just so it'll be easier to collapse after. And these outside folds should also be what is it called? Mountain folds. Now you could take that, and now you could sort of so that's the opposite of what we want to do. That's what we want to do, not the opposite. So we're just gonna take it and sort of pinch like that. And then when we have that, we're gonna make it like the other side. So gonna have that. By the way, this is the trickiest part out of this entire model, probably. It's probably the most like confusing to make. So basically gonna pinch like that. So like we want this to be a mountain. That. So yeah, there we got it. On that side, we're gonna do the same thing on this side. So sort of bring it up like that. And then now we want that's why we did that step. So the bottom could collapse by itself, but yeah, bottom could collapse by itself, and flatten it. It's like a whole big mess right now, but once we get this, it should be clean. Okay, here it's a bit messed up. Okay. This is really confusing to understand. Yeah. Okay, so it should be like that, something. Now you see how we have these reverse folds sort of? Now we're just gonna wrap it around the edge, like that. Take this, we're gonna, yeah, and for these corners, we're just gonna fold it up like that, this flap up and fold it behind. I forgot to say that, but yeah, that's what we're gonna do. So you could basically just fold this behind. And yeah. Okay, here we have the basic idea. You could sort of see it coming. Like that. Okay, now that side is done. Do on this side. I'm gonna take this, wrap it around like that. So that's how it basically opens. Now on these two sides, repeat with what we did like that. So sort of fold it up like that. Fold it behind. Fold it forward, sorry. Fold it. It's supposed to be like that. So yeah, do the same thing on this side. Like that, and that's the model. So yes, I get that that was kind of confusing. I can make a redo if you really want me to. But yeah, like when it's brand new, it opens up really well. So here I could show the basic idea. So it's like that, and when you pull even more, it opens up like that. So that's what the reverse folds do. Like when you wrap it around, the reverse, and you pull like with gentle pressure, it won't do anything. When you pull with more pressure, then the reverse folds will sort of come out and it'll sort of bloom. That's what I think is really cool about this model. So yeah, anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. It was kind of confusing even for me to teach it. So want to redo, like I said, just comment down below. And if you enjoyed it, don't forget to leave a like down below. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like these. And yeah, I'll catch you later. Bye. Oops, bye.